Hello, my glamorous family. In short, hey glam fam. It's your sweetheart Kathleen Totero, also known as Kathy Totero on all my social media platforms. On Instagram, it's Kathy Totero. On Facebook, it's Kathy Totero. On TikTok, it's Kathy underscore Totero 16. And here on YouTube, guess what? It's Kathy Totero. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, guys. And before we move any further, kindly like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this little baby. Guys, welcome to a new vlog. It's a Wednesday when you guys see this, but today is a Saturday. It's a Saturday morning, and guys, I just love this weather so much. Like, I love this weather. It's giving overseas. It's giving Mahatatsi. Anyway, so I just got ready now. I want to go to the shops. I want to get a gift from my friend. I am seeing her on Monday, and I just feel like she's been there for me. She's been such a great friend, so supportive, and she's always gifted me, guys. She's already gifted me so many things, and I haven't reciprocated the energy, and I'm just like, nope, I'm not being that friend this year. This year I'm going to be very intentional with my friendships. So I need to go to the shops and find something small for her, because also it's her birthday next month. So I still need to gift her again for her birthday. But this time is just to appreciate her as my friend. And also I'm thinking maybe I should also get something for my man for Valentine, because I did not get anything. I didn't get him anything. But also this Valentine, guys, we were so chilled. Hey, we were so chilled. I know that he wants to gift me. I don't know what it is yet, but he did ask me out like yesterday. Yesterday was Valentine, by the way. He did ask me for breakfast, like, let's go out for breakfast. But I was just like, I don't feel like going out, to be honest. And also just like, I'm so limited when I'm going out. I'm so limited because I'm only eating salad. So I'm just like, you know what? I'll be for the streets. I'll be out and about when I'm done with my 75 soft. But right now, guys, like, I'm so limited, even though I am going out on Monday. But retiring, just on the salad. Anyways, guys, I want to show you guys my outfit. By the way, I gave away, come closer. I gave away so many of my clothes. Actually, I gave away all my clothes. I just woke up one day and I just like, I don't like any of my clothes. And I just gave them all away. So my clothes are like non-existent. The closet is empty. And I'm just wondering, what the heck did I do? Why did I do that? I should have just waited until I had money, because also I don't want to go shopping. I don't want to go shopping until I'm done with this challenge, because I don't know how my body is going to be when I'm done with the challenge. Because when I'm done, I just want to do maintenance. So I'm just like, I can't shop right now. Also, like, it's complicated. But anyways, let me show you guys my outfit. It's nothing special. I feel like I look like a gym girly. I look like a gym girly. Hush, Caramine. Hush, Caramine. Guys, can you see how the body is bowing? I feel like, guys, can you guys see the changes? I feel good. I really feel good, even though I'm not where I want to be yet. But I feel cute, man. I feel cute. Look at my fit. Let me try and show you guys my shoes. I hope you guys can see. And where's my bag? Where is my? Ooh, I don't know where my bag is. Sure, but anyways, this is how I'm looking. I'm a sports girly now. Anyways, guys, let me catch you guys in a little bit. Bye. I'm home and I want to be a Mrs. Romantic. So I did get a gift for my man for Valentine, and I want to surprise him. I hope that here. Get I'm vlogging. I'm coming. But this guy, oh, it's so difficult to surprise this, but let me go and give him his gift. So I told him to get ready so that he appears in the vlog. I hope you didn't see the gift. Let me go, guys.
Few days, she brought a friend. Don't know how to start again. 3 hours, you was prepared with you.
Hi guys, it's been a long time. Okay, let me do this because then it's gonna be doing that beeping sound the whole time. Anyways, so I'm by the parking in Rhapsody's Sebele, and I'm about to meet my friend. I think I am early, which is great, guys. This is like one of my New Year's resolutions, to be early for everything, or at least on time. So I've been doing good so far, so good. And yeah, I just wanted to update you guys before I get in and wait for my friend. Anyways, guys, I wore a wig and I just hated it so much. I took it out. I think my thing is I know that I need a glueless wig. That's the one that I'm looking for, and it's so difficult. I've been doing my research. I've been trying to talk to other wig shops or wig people or wig boutiques. What are they called? Yeah, those people. Like, I'm struggling to find a wig I want. I'm struggling, but yeah, this is who I am now. Anyways, let's get in so that she finds me inside. Bye. Me gifting you. Because I was appreciating you, girl. You've been buying me gifts like forever. You've been so romantic to me. So just like let me be romantic to it. I know. And this is what I've been dying to do this for you, hey? I've been dying to do this for you. How cutesy. I was like, I'll tell you, friend. How lucky are you? Like, people love you, man. Guys, we have reached the end of the vlog, and before I say my goodbye, I want to just show you guys my Valentine gift from my man. Guys, I've been wanting this for a while, so I'm glad he did get it. He wrapped it so nicely, as you guys can see. So yeah, I love the wrapping because it's so thoughtful.
This year was in the wrap, so
whatever. Anyways, so this is my blender. Oh my gosh, guys, I already opened it and I love it so much. I love it so much. I've been wanting to juice, or rather like have like a smoothie a week, just having nothing but smoothies, which I don't know if I can do actually. So this is the manual, and yeah, that's about it. Can you hold that for me? So this is how it comes out. I guess this is the lid. Where's the glass thing? Is the glass thing in there? Okay, so this is how it looks, guys. It's so pretty. And this is glass. I love that this is glass. You're gonna have to be holding these things. I love that this is glass, guys. This is so beautiful. It is so pretty. And it's so heavy. So it comes out with what did you say this is called? Oh, hey, this is the lid. Okay, and then I think you twist it. Great. Did they show you how you use it? This is so pretty. It is so beautiful. It comes out with this. What again? When the chop the veggie.
veggies so that you don't have to chop the food.
But I think I can also
Juice with it.
I can juice with it. Okay, so I think I will learn how to use this and I'll show you guys on the next vlog. But this is how it is. Should I open it? I guess this is where you put the things and then close it up and chop.
So
No more crying when I'm chopping onions. So this is how it is, guys. Oh, let me see what's in here. Okay, no, let me put this one here because this is heavy. So this is the what are we doing? The stand. Let me just call it a stand.
Motor
The what?
box.
This is the motor box. This is how it looks, guys. Oh, hey, I do this and then it chops. Oh, look at that. That's so fancy. I twisted. Yeah, I think I'll show them on the next vlog. Yeah, I'll be using it on the next vloggity vlog. And this is also, oh, this is big. It is so big. Yeah. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. I love it so much. Thank you so much, man. My man is so supportive with this journey of mine, and I really appreciate this. And thoughtful. Yeah, anyways, so guys, that's us for today, for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have no idea how this vlog is going to turn out because usually I edit as I go, but this time I didn't, so everything is just all over the place. I don't know if it's going to hlangana. I don't know if it's gonna come together, and yeah, but I do hope that it does. So I hope you guys also had a great Valentine. My man and I, like I told you guys, we didn't really go out or anything like that. I did make him breakfast at the beginning of the vlog, and that's the kind of breakfast he likes, guys. If you guys think, that's what he loves. He loves that kind of breakfast. High protein, what? So he was so happy. It's so easy to make my man happy, so he was very happy. But I think Valentine should be celebrated if you do want to celebrate it. If you are those people that don't really care for Valentine, it's fine. You don't need to make other people feel bad for celebrating Valentine. But as for us, we do like gifting each other, and that's what we did. So I'm happy. I'm really happy. So anyways, guys, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye.